Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the week 6 class of social studies in your summer vacation task 2020. This week you will be studying about two topics that are family tree, and the second one is fact sheet about different countries. So students, a drawing that gives the names of all the members of a family over a long period of time or shows how they are related to each other. Once you make a family tree, you will be able to remember how everyone is related to each other. So let's start with the definition of family tree. A family tree is a chart showing family relationship in a tree structure form, or a family tree shows all the people in a family over many generations and their relationship to one another. This is family tree. The definition of family tree. Family members: grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, father, mother, brother, sister. All these are the members of your family tree. Family members can be related with each other by birth, marriage, or by adoption. Our immediate family members includes grandparents, parents, siblings, and children's uncle, aunt. All these includes our family are includes in our family members. So, dear students, the purpose of families is to maintain the well-being of its members and of society. To build strong family relationships, we should listen to each other, help and share with everyone. Our second topic is fact sheet about different countries. This is the part 2. This is part 2 topic of week 6. When we want to know about different information, we want to know different information about a country, we need a fact sheet. Students, a fact sheet is a single sheet of paper listing important facts about the issues. It is a one-page document that provides the basic information on a specific topic in an easy and quick format to read. So let's start. What is fact sheet? A fact sheet or a fact file is a presentation of information and data in a format which emphasizes key points concisely, usually using tables or headings on a single printed page. Another definition is a fact sheet is a short printed document with information about a particular subject, especially a summary of information that has been given on a radio or television. So, fact sheet of following countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, India, and China. You will learn about these countries today. So, Pakistan capital is Islamabad, currency is rupee, and language is Urdu. National language is Urdu. In Afghanistan, the capital is Kabul, currencies are Afghani, and language is Dari or Pashto. Iran, capital is Tehran, currencies are Irani Rial, and languages are Persian. India, the capital of India is New Delhi, currency is Indian rupee, and languages that are spoken is Hindi and English. Chinese, another country, fifth country is China. The capital of China is Beijing, currency is Chinese yuan. Languages that are spoken in China is Mandarins. So this is the fact sheet of different countries. You can add the national dresses in it. The population, it includes population, dresses, national food. All these includes in fact sheet of country. So students, fact sheet of a different countries provide different information regarding that country, about its capital, currencies, population, languages, and about many other things as you have studied today. So this was our this week topic, fact sheet about different countries. So this was the end of week 6, summer vacation task 2020. Thank you class and goodbye for now.